What's up, guys? Welcome back. Spider-Man Tom Holland, brand new day with the black bug eyes. He's all cut up, looks sick. Wonder what his new powers are going to be. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm going to start with his eyes, basically. And he's kind of like looking angry, right? So very big black eyes. So we'll go diagonal. And it's like his brow comes across the top of his eye. We'll go like flat this way. And then it comes down the back. Like these are like, he's got like eyelid lines or something here. And his eyebrow, this like goes all the way out and kind of joins his nose out here somewhere. It's at the bottom of his eye. So this is all black inside. So you can color it pure black with a pen, or you can shade it with a pencil in here. And you want to do a couple of shines, so you'd want to leave some white dots. So I'm going to shade it, I'm going to color it like dark grey and then put white dots on top. But you can do it whatever way you want. And he's got some eyelashes down here. Right, we got like some bags kind of underneath his eyes, like some skin lines sort of underneath his eyes, light ones. Then just sort of like his nose line, the bridge of his nose kind of. Right, so his eyebrow, let's go with sort of like a frown here. And then the eyebrow going this way. And it touches right down the bottom of this, like he's frowning pretty heavily. And then in the picture, his eyebrow on this side flicks up, like it goes up this way. I don't know if that's the way Tom Holland's eyebrow just is on that side, or is it just because he's like roughed up in the movie, but. And then it starts to just go back down that way. So basically, that's his eyebrow. Right, we're going to do the other eye, so measure this eye, come over that much, and then start the next one. It looks like he might have broken his nose at some point because it sticks out really far on this side, but not as much on this side. The bridge of his nose goes down that way a bit more. But anyway, the eye goes over. Again, same sort of shape. Down. And we get the tear duct. Some of his hair covers this, but we'll draw it in. And then we get an eyelid line down here. All blood on his forehead here. Eyelid line there, and then like the bridge of his nose goes that way. And then this eyebrow is kind of a different shape again, so it goes, it starts here and then goes up. Seems to just go up this way. bridge of his nose down there. Put some eyelashes. Right into his nostrils, so nostril down here. Curve them together. And then like the skin of his nostril. He's kind of beat up, so he looks rough basically. So he's got lots of scratches on him and stuff like that. So he looks like he's got like lots of blood and stuff coming out of his mouth. So downturned kind of on the corners, like underneath the eye here. Then it comes across, and real pointy top lip, so like points down sharply and then back up. Looks like a bit of a shadow there, and then comes down again. Just there. Just a line on the side. Here. And his top lip is kind of like here. He's very small lips, so his bottom lip. Like that, and then his chin is like here. And then a real sort of square chin then. Just go up for his jaw. So he's got like a series of gashes and stuff on the side of his face here. I do one across the bridge of his nose as well. two on the side of his. And there's like, you know, drips of blood and stuff all coming down from his mouth. Blood up here, like lots of scratches, and but that'd be done with red colour anyway if you were drawing it in, or colouring it, should I say. Okay, so sideburn here, and then his ear comes out. And then sideburn here. Then his ear. So his hairline, so he's got some hair that comes across just here. And then his hairline goes up this way. And then we get all the hair spikes coming across, like wet hair. This is like big ones all here, going all in different directions basically. It's a big long one coming down here. Just keep adding them all the way across till we get to the other side. And then it all just spikes out the side, then it'll go up off the top of the page. You can put as much blood and splatters and stuff on his face as you'd like, really. Right, and then we get his neck, right here, collar of his Spider-Man suit. Like so. And then we'll do shoulder. Goes that way. Just more hair spikes. And shoulder this way. Then we got to do webbing. So we'll do these lines first. There's extra ones here that come around the collar. So then these go this way. Oh, yeah, sorry. Got confused there for a second. Okay, Tom Holland with the black eyes from Spider-Man Brand New Day. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.